कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There's no need for you to come. There's no need for you to come. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कोई काम है? Do you need anything from me? Do you need anything from me? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? पहले मुझे बताओ कि तुम क्या खाओगे. First tell me what you want to eat. First tell me what you want to eat. मुझे कुछ हल्का फुल्का खाने का मन है. I feel like eating something light. I feel like eating something light. क्या आप कुछ नया ट्राई करना चाहते हो? Do you want to try something new? Do you want to try something new? क्या तुम्हें मिठाई खाने का मन है? Do you want to eat dessert? Do you want to eat dessert? तुम्हें आइसक्रीम पसंद है? Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? मुझे केक खाने का मन है. I feel like eating cake. I feel like eating cake. ठीक है, चलो केक लेते हैं. All right, let's get cake. All right, let's get cake. क्या तुम्हें चॉकलेट केक पसंद है? Do you like chocolate cake? Do you like chocolate cake? मुझे घर जाना है. I need to go home. I need to go home. मैं तुम्हें अपने साथ घर ले जाऊंगा. I'll take you home with me. I'll take you home with me. आपका घर कितनी दूर है? How far is your home? How far is your home? अगर वह ज्यादा जिद कर रही है तो उसे आने दो ना. If she is insisting so much, then let her come. If she is insisting so much, then let her come. चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. क्या आप उसका ख्याल रखोगे? Will you take care of her? Will you take care of her? क्या आपको सच में लगता है कि ये उसके लिए अच्छा है? Do you really think this is good for her? Do you really think this is good for her? आपको लगता है कि यह सही फैसला कर रही है? Do you think she is making the right decision? Do you think she is making the right decision? मुझे लगता है यह सही होगा. I think this is the right decision. I think this is the right decision. आप सबको इकट्ठा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you gathering everyone? Why are you gathering everyone? इसमें मेरा क्या रोल है? What is my role in this? What is my role in this? हमें पहले से नहीं बताया जा सकता था क्या? Couldn't we have been told earlier? Couldn't we have been told earlier? माफ कीजिए, हमें भी नहीं पता था. Sorry, we didn't know either. Sorry, we didn't know either. हमें लगता है यह अचानक हुआ. We thought it was sudden. We thought it was sudden. हमें समय नहीं मिला बताने के लिए. We didn't have time to inform. We didn't have time to inform. तुम तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. तुम्हें लगता है कि यह बदल सकता है? Do you think this can change? Do you think this can change? मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगी. I won't talk to him. I won't talk to him. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह उसकी गलती है? Do you think it's his fault? Do you think it's his fault? तुम्हें अपने लिए फैसला लेने का अधिकार है. You have the right to decide for yourself. You have the right to decide for yourself. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि यह गलत फहमी है. But I think it's a misunderstanding. But I think it's a misunderstanding. मुझे लगता है कि हमें बात करनी चाहिए. I think we should talk. I think we should talk. हम इसे सुलझाएंगे. We'll clear it up. We'll clear it up. उसने मुझे बहुत मायूस किया है. He has disappointed me a lot. He has disappointed me a lot. मुझे सुनकर दुख हुआ या परेशान करने वाला है. I'm sorry to hear that. It's upsetting. I'm sorry to hear that. It's upsetting. मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हें उससे दूरी बनाकर रखनी चाहिए. I think you should keep distance from him. I think you should keep distance from him. मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ है. My feelings are hurt. My feelings are hurt. अपना ख्याल रखो. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I'm with you. I'm with you. भूलने में समय लगेगा. It will take time to forget. It will take time to forget. तुम मजबूत हो, तुम इसे पार करोगे. You're strong, you'll get through this. You're strong, you'll get through this. समय के साथ सब ठीक हो जाएगा. With time everything will be okay. With time everything will be okay. मुझे लगता है यह एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हें मजबूत बनाएगा. I think this experience will make you strong. I think this experience will make you strong. यह आगे बढ़ने का समय है. It's time to move forward. It's time to move forward.